Hello, my country people. Another breaking news again for our Prophet Jeremiah, the senior pastor, which everybody know where he get church for Warri. For Warri State, this church alone, if you enter and they don't say sit down, you don't go sit down. Which everybody they see this man. Oh, now yes, say one man come out. Where say then what it be the name itself? Other than Matthias, I've been a Matthias. And then Mata, make we leave Mata for Matthias. All of una hear the video where that man play come and say, this man of God now, why when they do, why be say they hit people where nobody they know. But when it comes to people where everybody know, they no coffee heal like how they give them money. The same man, so now still talking for TB Joshua then that TB Joshua is a fake pastor. Which that video still go viral. A lot of people still hear around. Say that late TB Joshua say na fake pastor. We be say every this thing when they do say na fake. Now he be say na set up. Then they carry people go they bribe. Baby say they go they perform all those kind of fake miracle for their church. So now they send this Matthias. So now still come out again for this our big pastor Prophet Jeremiah. Say why go give 8 million to that actors wanna see that day the man was be like say stroke and he hook up for leg. The same Jeremiah, so now still give one man to the other actress who say a bomb don't they finish. All of us see the bomb say the man not even get she gave fat. So the news they go around everywhere say Prophet Jeremiah he won't go arrest that man. Say anywhere where they see him, may they get an arrest. So I may can't talk where in for they do fake miracle. After Prophet Jeremiah make that video, after Sefta done, this man now come out again. So if you want to hear the man videos through this my video done, you will find where I post about that man video too. So I still need to bring this our senior Prophet Jeremiah. Oh, come make una still hear I see stay happen my people. So now Prophet Jeremiah don't come out now come say he forgive this Matthias. Say God say make we forgive. Forgiveness is very important. And it's truth. Forgiveness is very important based on what the person do you. You get a kind of what person go do you to forgive you your heart go to bitter you. So that be the matter. So after Prophet Jeremiah make that video say anywhere they see that man is going to get that man arrested. Now that man come out again the next time, the next day say he give all the whole prophetess and prophetess and native doctor and native nation. Say he give all of them on the 15 days, which is December. I think we are 10 days now. Let me say that 5 days. He give all of them 15 days to come and block her for hospital name for Bayelsa. I don't remember the name of this place. I not say shadow so it matter they be. Say in the wave all of the both native doctor, both doctors, both pastor and pastors, both prophecy and prophecy. In the wave all of the dear. May they come out conscient so that he go really believe say they believe man of God, my people. That man boast come out. If you never watch the video, as I said before, screen this video, you go see the video. So he say he go bring woman where he get fibron, where be say you not fit get pikin. He go bring person where he blind, where be say you know they see road. From there, go see bring person where be say stroke whole land, where be say you know they feed the waka again. He go bring all to 3 people come. So that all those pastors where he say they be really man of God, that they prophesy and they heal people. So they go come there, go heal those people for in front. Before he go begin they believe all those things where they do. So as they want to heal all those things, he go still take one of those people that have those sickness to hospital. Since that they deceive people, say, don't go to hospital, come to my church, I will pray for you and you will be healed. After the person will go to the church and pray and be healed, the next thing will begin to hear RIP from that person after prayer and everything. So now this man now converse, say, lalai to lalai, or make them stop those things that they do for Nigeria. So those things, they don't they make a lot of people, that the guy verse come mad, say, if really say what they do now real, may they come out that very day, which is still give them 15 days to come and prove themselves and to come and show their power for it to believe and for it to be respected then. My country people, the matter not be so much. Hey. After that video, the same man will be named Matthias, he can't go for their group call. And I know say this group call, what you go cause for this word, not be so much. all those group call, Navy group, WhatsApp group, Messenger group, BBC group, DDC group. Una know say na a lot of things that we dey hear from those group call people. Now this man can go pray for group call, say make they support him, make they put him for his back, say he want come out to fire those prophets and prophetess. Make they stop those systems so that they do so that Nigeria go get happiness. They among of what make Nigeria head, not they go front. My country people, never my mouth now for year ramo. Me, I only come here, come there and lies. I find I go say, shut up, doesn't they carry fake news. Me, I know they carry fake news zone. I know me for that. So he can't go for the group call, go talk and say, make the support her, put her for a back. That of 15 days where he want reach. So he really want those people to come and prove themselves for the power where God take break them. The power where God give them, whether they use. So he want release her for a crowd, say then they heal her. You know? So a lot of people come begin they call our senior pastor, Prophet Jeremiah, say, "Pa, forgive her, no man, I just want to you just want to be like this, just for people to know her, una know." Then the group call where this Matthias go make video say, I beg go, Prophet Jeremiah say, you want prison, you want put her for a no what. So may they try to support her, so what you want to do, so that all those fake things where they do, may they for stop pan. May they really know they be fake and not be real person. So one of those group where this guy go make that video, one of them can't do video. I think it's about 3 of them, before of them do video. To say, Prophet Jeremiah, we are warning you, stay away from that guy. Stay away from Matthias. They don't want to hear and say anything happen to them. The same group, so now one guy still come back, because still lick their nyash, say, hey, my people. They say, what thing you never see? Many say you never will carry there. And it be this life what we do. Now, me talking for my life videos, if person bet with you, don't ever you to bet to that person, say you do nothing. That is not a statement. If anybody bet with you, that person say, please, thank you, God, forgive me. Bet with God, not with me. You don't understand me. When you know, say your leg, you not stand for ground. Before you push it, you don't fall. You better not just make math with anybody. You better not just they talk, and what you know go fit do. So it is very, very important for everyone in this world. Okay, now he come out to say he's tangadaba. To say anything will won't happen, it go happen. He ready because why the man are fake. You understand me? So then now he still go for group come now. Go they tell everybody say make they support her because say this man say he want president. So make that of them they make a video to come and say I bet make you talk and say in America you they stay. They don't want to say in Liberia you they stay. They don't want to say that from America United States. They don't want to say that for United Kingdom. They don't want to, you know. They begin to make a video, but we all of them are staying in the backyard of their house. They are making the video from backyard of their house to say they are staying in America, they are staying in Abuja. My country people, I don't check this matter. So, inside the group, so now one guy still come and let everybody know for this world, say, this group where we did, so see what Matthias can't tell them, make they do. And the people can't really they do. And so all those videos, they are fake. Matthias, what you know for finish, no start time at all. Now one of them come out, come tell Matthias, say, my brother, he go only advise you. Waiting you cannot finish. Don't ever you start it in your life. And you know, say you, I swear. So it's better you don't even start at all. Because they heavy you for a head. Because if you too heavy, you know, still help you drop her. Only you want to feel drop her. It go be heavy you more. That be the life what we did. That is why if you carry load, they say you feel carry, put her down. So if the load too heavy, you only want to go drop on by yourself. But if the load too heavy pass you, you go go support you drop on. Now be waiting happen to this our brother Matthias. So my people, not be me talking more. Now waiting a year. I go make the short video where our pastor Jeremiah, senior pastor, say he forgive this man. Say God say forgive. Forgiveness is very important. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
I am Prophet Jeremiah. Yes, it is a wonderful day and a wonderful hour. Yes, why I'm coming out in order to now address the people who are there and in order to now make this video. It's something that which is what is now trending right now, that people are now, calls are everywhere. Calls are everywhere. Father, you are like this, Father, you are like this. So what is there? Is the calls are coming, begging, this one, begging. Ah, I know. This is how the thing goes. The Bible clearly stated, myself, I am not God. Something that happened right recently, these few days, about a young man called Matthias. And people are now, different groups are now, confusion everywhere. People now say, what is going on in this school? Okay, as a man of God, calls everywhere, calling beg, now what is going on? Forgive your mind. I am not God. I have to come out and say what is in my mind. What is in my mind is this. We are all human. However you insult me, you insult this one, insult me. Because what really happened, it was really, as flesh. That's why I was, react to that extent. I would react to that extent. We are all flesh. So, but what is really there, Matthias, I want to now tell everybody that Jeremiah Omotofufui has nothing to do with Matthias. Matthias, wherever you are, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. I have nothing to do with you. I have nothing to do with you. Because why? I'm a man of God. Man of God, in other words, that I have to forgive. I have to forgive. Forgiveness is divine. I am forgiving you from the bottom of my heart. I'm forgiving you. Because however the story, what am I going to do if I now take you to this place? If I now arrest you, what's the benefit? But also, there's no benefit there. So, as a man of God, I'm now come out and tell all the people that who are there, that now sons and daughters who are angry over there, whatever country you are, please, I'm begging you, I am forgiving bottom of my heart. However you insulted me, please, as a man of God, forgiveness is divine. So I want you people to also forgive. But I want to now show you, I want to take you to real, a place right in the Bible, clearly. I want you to take you to Ephesians 4:31. Says, let all bitterness and wrath and anger and clamor and evil speaking be put away from you with all malice. 32 says, and be ye kind one to another. Be ye kind one to another. Be ye kind one to another. Tender-hearted. Forgiving one another. Even as God, for Christ's sake, had forgiven you. So, who am I not to forgive? So, brother, wherever you are, whatever place that you are watching me, I am forgiving Matthias. I don't have anything to do with Matthias. So, anybody that any there from my bottom of my heart. So, the same thing the Bible also stated clearly in the book of John. John clearly stated there that I want to also show you about, say forgiveness. Because forgiveness is really divine. It says, John book clearly stated here, John 13, I'm going to 13. 13 says, 34. Yeah. John 13, I'm going down. Yeah, it's clearly stated here. 34. A new commandment I give unto you, that ye love one another, as I have loved you, that ye also love one another. So, if Christ loved one another, what are we going to do? He said we have to love one another. This is not, what has happened. I don't have anything in mind. So Matthias, don't be afraid anywhere, any place. I have nothing to do with you. I'm nothing to do with you. So because he has already, God said we should forgive. Who am I not to forgive? You know why? The Bible says here we should do charity always. What I read just now, show love to one another. What I'm doing is not mine. It's a command where I read just now. It's a command, a commandment from God. God has, it is not by my power. It's God that will give me this grace in order to give. Let me tell you something very quickly before I run out. Why I'm giving, not only the people that I'm seeing, I'm praying for before I give. In the year 2019, March 30th, something happened. A man, an actor, 2019, March 30th, an actor came. This is a group of actors, forum, led by Emeka Rolas, Kenayo, Shegu Arenji, and also Mama O. They came in order, they pleaded with me. I don't know this young man called Liu Mejie. They said Liu Mejie is sick. That's through kidney. The man wanted to die. So please, that this happened 2019 March. So I sent 3 million naira. Look at that. Look at how they came. See how he was sick. See how he was sick in the in the hospital. So you also look at it. Look, everybody look at it. He was sick in the hospital. What is when you see? Look at this one. The young man was sick in the hospital. This is called kidney. Crying for help in Lagos. So they came. I gave them 3 million. Do you know that tomorrow, today, to this date, see the man, young man, Liu Mejie, he came. You see him? Do you see him well? The man did not come here, but the people that who came, the actors, forum, they came. I gave them 3 million to this young man. Do you know that throughout today, right now, nobody, no, I've never set my eyes on this young man. After giving him, sending 3 million naira through the actors to him, I've never set my eyes to this young man. This actor, I've not known him. Even he appeared here, I don't know him. So that is called charity. Give unto thee. So today, I am here by telling all the people that all over the world, Jeremiah Omoto Fufeyin, whatever insult that coming up or anywhere, I am forgiving the young man called Matthias. So please, sons of arrest anybody. No arrest. No more arrest. Please, I'm begging everybody to now stop this one. And God bless you, viewers all over the world. Thank you very much. I remain Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufeyin, and this one did never ever stop me to give anybody. This one, whatever thing that happened today, it can never ever stop me. Stop my giving. My giving continues because God, that's the covenant that I've promised God, that if He bless me, I will bless His children. That what those who are needy. So thank you very much. God bless you and God bless you. Thank you. Love you all.